Hello student, continue with the worksheet 5. Again, I am giving you the solution of question number 6. What is here? See very carefully. Here given volume of a cube is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. So we have to find the side of each cube. We will find the cube root of the volume. Means here cube 1000 is given. So we will find the cube root. It becomes 10. See here I have written for you. Then each side of a cube is equal to 10 centimeter and total surface area of a cube is 6 multiply L square. So you will multiply 6 into 10 into 10. It becomes 600 centimeter square. And question number 7 again. Here the question is in two parts. Length of a wooden plank or length of a wooden block is here. So length of a wooden plank, it is given as LBH. So first of all we will find the plank. Plank means एक छोटा block होता है wooden block. तो आप उसका volume find out करेंगे L into B into H. And again length of a wooden block is here. Length of a wooden block is here. Breadth of a wooden block is here and height of a wooden block is given here. So you will find the volume of a wooden block as L into B into H. We have to find the number of plank formed. Means कि एक बड़े वुड के पीस में से छोटे छोटे कितने वुडन प्लैंक्स बनेंगे. तो आप क्या करेंगे, यू विल डिवाइड द बिग वॉल्यूम लार्जर वॉल्यूम बाय द स्मॉल. मीन्स वुडन ब्लॉक के वॉल्यूम को आप प्लैंक छोटा होता है उसके वॉल्यूम से, टुकड़े को बोलते हैं, वुडन पीस को बोलते हैं, और ब्लॉक मीन्स एक बड़ा वुड का टुकड़ा. तो आप उसको डिवाइड करेंगे, यू विल गेट 180 प्लैंक्स विल बी फॉर्म्ड in the big block. Now the question number 8 is given here. 3 cubes means different cubes are given. Edges of first cube 6 centimeter, second cube 10 and second is 8 and third is 10. We have to find the volume of 3 cubes as 6 cube plus 8 cube plus 10 cube, and it becomes 1728. It's 216 for first, 6 into 6 into 6 and 8 into 8 into 8, 512 and 1000 for the 10 cube. So it becomes 1728 centimeter cube. Now when 3 cubes of volume, these are melted together. हम इन तीनों को फिर मेल्ट कर देते हैं. सपोज छोटे छोटे जैसे बर्फ़ी के पीसीज होते हैं, आप उसको जोड़ के एक बिग केक बना सकते हैं, और ऐसे केक को काट के स्मॉल पीस बना सकते हैं. दोनों पॉसिबल है. तो हम किसको कट करते हैं, वी कट द वॉल्यूम नोट द एरिया. हम किसको कट करते हैं, वॉल्यूम को कट करते हैं. तो वी मेल्ट द 3 क्यूब्स एंड मेक अ बिग क्यूब. So now a solid cube is formed, new cube is formed, then volume of a new cube, it also becomes 1728 centimeter cube, same as the sum of the volume of first 3 cubes. Now in question number 9, surface area of a cube is given as 150 meter square, or you will use the formula 6 into L square 150, and L square is equal to 150 by 6, 25 meter. Now L into L 25, you will find the L 5 meter. L means length of each edge of a cube. It becomes 5 meter. Volume you will take it as L into L into L, 125 meter cube. Now in question number 10 again it is given कि in a cube area of one face means जो आपके हाथ में सपोज एक क्यूब है, एक बॉक्स है, क्यूबिकल बॉक्स है, तो जो एक फेस एक सामने की साइड आपको दिखाई दे रही है उसको बोलते हैं वन फेस. एज सी इन द रूम देयर आर 6 फेसेस. So we can say area of one face length into breadth 81 meter square. So we have to find the length of one edge by taking the square root. 9 into 9, it is 9 meter. And when we know the one side or one edge of a cube is 9 meter, then volume of a cube becomes 9 into 9 into 9, 729 meter cube. So it is the topic based on the cube. You will complete this exercise in the notebook. Hello student, welcome you all in my maths class, in which today I will teach you about how can we find the volume of a cube. See here कि how can we find the volume of a cube, that is L into L into L, and volume of a cuboid L into B into H. Unit is meter cube and centimeter cube. The question number 1, worksheet 5, I am discussing you कि when two cubes each of side 6 centimeter is joined, what will happen? In the figure you can see a new solid is formed, that is called cuboid, whose sides length plus length. When two rooms we join, but will happen only length will increase, breadth and height will remain the same. So we can find the volume of a cube by cuboid by multiplying L into B into H, and you will get the answer. Okay, now see the next question number 2 here. Question number 2 is volume of a cuboid is given and base area is given. We have to find the height. Height means volume of a cuboid upon area, that is L into B into H upon L into B. We can find 275 upon 25. By dividing both, we will get the height of a cuboid. Okay, only the same formula we will use. Now question number 3, again length of a cuboid is here, breadth of a cuboid is here, and volume, height of a cuboid is here. We have to find the volume of a cuboid. Here it is not cube, it is a cuboid, because all the length, breadth and heights are different. So we multiplied the volume of a cuboid by L into B into H. We will get the answer. Now again it is given that each side of a cube is 6 centimeter and volume of a cube is 6 into 6 into 6. We have to find out how many small cubes can be placed in a box, that is cuboidal box. So we will divide big volume. Big volume means volume of a cuboid upon volume of a small cube. 450 cubes can be put in a cuboidal box. Now question number 4, you can see here again what is given here, length of each side of a cube. Originally we will take L centimeter, we will find the volume of a cube, L cube or X cube. Then surface area of a cube, already we have done, that is 6L square, means 6 side square, it is 6X square. Now in the question it is given if each edge of a cube is double, means if we take originally the side of a cube X, then it becomes 2X. Surface area of a cube with new side, that is 6 into 2X whole square, it becomes 24X square, and new volume becomes 2X cube, that 2X whole cube, it becomes 8X cube. Now we have to find out number of time will surface area increases. Divide this new area or new volume by original volume and new area by original area. So here 8x cube upon x cube, it becomes 8 times, and number of time will volume increase, 24x square upon 6x square, it becomes 4 times. Now in the question number 5, matchbox question means a cuboidal shape question is given, length, breadth and height is given. Now we have to find out volume of one matchbox, that is L into B into H. Volume of 12 packets of matchboxes, multiply the volume by 12, we will get the answer 180 centimeter cube. So okay, thank you. You have to do these question in the notebook.